Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Welcome to another video in the series Getting into MBA College. For everyone who is new, I am Chavi Gupta. I am an IIT Delhi and I am Ahmedabad alum, and I was also the CAT 2017 100 percentiler. In today's video, I will help you answer the question, should I give the CAT exam again, or should I give any of the management entrance tests again? Or should I just get into the college that I am getting this year? It's a question that quite a few people have time and again every single year when the results of final admissions are out. And this is an important question to ask yourself because an MBA is kind of an investment of your time, of your money. The MBA college that you decide to get into will define the kind of opportunities that you will get, will define the learnings that you get, will also define the peer group, the network, all of that you build, right? So it's a big investment from your side. And hence it is essential to ask yourself the question that should I go to this college or should I attempt CAT again? Today I will help you answer this question yourself by posing some critical questions to you. And these questions you should ask yourself, and I'm sure that you will be able to identify the answer of whether you should give CAT again or you should just take admission in the college that you're getting. The three high-level questions that are there is that, is this the best college that you can ever get into? I will go into more details how to answer individual one of these later. The second question is that, do you really need an MBA this year? Do you need to do an MBA this year? And the third one is, do you really need an MBA for your career at all? These are all very important questions, and these will then define whether you should take the CAT exam again or not. Talking about the first question, is this the best college that you can get into? There are several aspects of this particular question, right? First of all, you should see that whatever is the best college you have got the admission call from, is it worth doing MBA from that college? And by that I mean, because you will be investing your time, your money, after 2 years, do you get your investment in return or not? I have created a video on this particularly. You should find the link on your screen, but that will tell you in detail whether this particular college will serve your purpose or not. And I think that is a very important question you should ask yourself before getting admission into any MBA college. The second part of this particular question is, did you give your best for the CAT exam? Was that the best CAT score you could have scored? This could mean that, did you give enough time? Did you give enough practice? Were you consistent enough? Were you motivated enough? Did you have enough guidance while preparing for the CAT exam? And how did you perform on the final day? All of these 6 questions together will tell you whether or not that was the best CAT score you could have gotten. And if it is the best CAT score, well and good. Excellent. Then there's nothing more you can do specifically to the CAT score, right? So if your answer is kind of that this is the best college eventually that you can get into, then that is perfect, right? The third question that you should ask yourself is, can you increase your cumulative score in any way? Now, because MBA colleges do not just take you on your CAT score, they do a cumulative scoring based on your past CATs, work experience, a lot of diversity points. I have talked about insights on getting into an MBA college as well in a video. The link should be there on your screen. You can watch that for details. But essentially, there is a cumulative score that is calculated. Is there anything that you can do to improve your cumulative score? Maybe you can work for 1 year, that will increase your cumulative score. And as your cumulative score keeps on increasing, the colleges that you get keep on getting better as well. Now suppose that your answer to this entire thing is yes, you have the best CAT score, you have the best cumulative score, and the college is worth getting into, worth investing. For sure, do your MBA this year. Do not invest 1 more year to prepare for CAT. Okay. Now coming to the second question, do you really need to do an MBA this year? If your answer to any of the previous questions is no, or maybe I could have performed better, maybe I could have gotten a better cumulative score, then it's important for you to answer this question. Is there some kind of backup that you have for this particular year? Are you working? Can you continue in your job? Is there any internship that you are doing that you can convert into a job, or you can continue it for around 9 to 12 months again? Is there anything else? Is there a business that you can be a part of? Is there anything that you can do throughout this year along with preparing for CAT that you don't really need to do an MBA right now? If the answer to this is yes, and your previous answers were no, then that means that you can probably wait this year. You can do whatever is your backup option, invest some time in that, and also simultaneously prepare for the CAT exam. There are ways of preparing for the CAT exam while you're in college, while you're working, so don't worry about only investing time in the CAT exam preparation. Okay? So if that is the case, definitely you can just give it a pause for a year, go to a better college next year. The third question is a bit more, you can say, asks you, why do you really need to do an MBA? There are a lot of careers which do not require an MBA. An MBA is not the only way to success anywhere, right? So if you are someone who feels that maybe I do not need an MBA, then you should definitely check that out, right? I have a video that I created on, is it really necessary to do an MBA? And you should check that video. The link should be there on your screen. The overall answer of this question will tell you, do you need to invest more time preparing for CAT, or should you wait a few years, maybe give GMAT, maybe do executive MBA, or maybe you just don't need an MBA, you can just continue in your current job and excel anyway, right? That will basically tell you that you should not invest so much time and money in doing an MBA when you don't really need one, right? So I think these are all of the questions together that will define whether you should join an MBA college this year. Should you wait it out, give CAT again, try next year? Or should you just not think about MBA as your career path right now? All of these questions will define your career path. It's very important to see what is required for your career at any moment, rather than just following the masses or just following what everyone is doing and going for an MBA just because you want, everyone is doing that around you. So don't think about that. Think about what exactly you require in your particular career. What college is best for you? What is the best possible place that you can go into? Because when you invest so much of effort, time, money, everything, you would definitely want to get the best out of it. In case you have any more questions, you can connect with me on Telegram, Instagram, LinkedIn. And every Saturday, 7 p.m., I have YouTube live Q&A sessions where you can join in and I will answer all of the queries that you have. Till then, good luck. Congratulations for all the converts that you have made, and make the right decision on joining a particular MBA college. Good luck, guys. See you Saturday, 7 p.m. Bye-bye.